Hello everyone, welcome to Techtionary, where technology has no limit and neither do we. So what should we cover today? How about a premium category mechanical keyboard? Let's find out. So, the guest of the video is going to be Razer Pro Type Ultra. Responsive, sleek and powerful, the Razer Pro Type Ultra keyboard is one of the best keyboards around its price range. This is a straight, wireless keyboard designed for office use. If you're looking for backlit lighting or you like to program macros to facilitate your workflow, the Pro Type Ultra may be your next keyboard. Let's look at the specifications. Razer Pro Type Ultra is a full-size, which means 100% mechanical keyboard with 104 keys and Razer yellow switches. This is a backlit keyboard without any RGB effect but with an additional wrist rest. For connectivity you can have multiple options. It has wired USB-C, wireless connection via Bluetooth and Razer Hyperspeed 2.4 GHz. This keyboard comes with 4.0 cm height, 44.1 cm width and 13.3 cm depth. The total depth increases to 22.2 cm with the wrist rest. The Pro Type Ultra's keys feature Razer's proprietary yellow mechanical switch. Every key can outstand up to 80 million clicks. It also features a left and right kickstand on the underside of the keyboard. You can adjust your keyboard from a flat angle to an angle of 6 degrees or 9 degrees. The keyboard casing is made mostly of durable plastic. Total weight including the wrist rest and cables go a little more than 1 kilogram. The backlit LEDs offer a pleasant visual effect and assist with typing in low light conditions. There is ample space between the keyboard frame surface and the underside of the keys, which accommodates easy cleaning and maintenance. Razer claims that the Pro Type Ultra keyboard has 214 hours of battery life over Bluetooth and 207 hours over 2.4 GHz wireless, with the backlit LEDs off. You can get approximately 13 hours with the backlit LEDs turned on. The Pro Type Ultra features a sleek and minimalist design, fitting seamlessly into professional environments, which offers a lot to the gamers and programmers. You can configure the keyboard to control up to 4 devices, one 2.4 GHz and 3 Bluetooth. The Razer Pro Type Ultra has outstanding and very consistent single-key latency. It provides an extremely responsive feeling gaming experience in any genre. This keyboard has excellent multi-key latency performance, making it very well suited for playing games requiring inputs while multiple keys are pressed and maintained. Equipped with Razer's own yellow mechanical switches, the Pro Type Ultra delivers a satisfying typing experience. These switches are known for their smooth keystrokes and quiet operation, which makes them ideal for long typing sessions without causing disturbances in shared workspaces. The customizable RGB backlighting adds a touch of personalization and flair to the keyboard. Users can choose from a spectrum of colors and effects or opt for a more subdued, professional look by turning off the lighting entirely. You can use Razer Synapse 3 software to customize your keyboard according to your preference. These options include remapping keys, setting macros, and adjusting the backlight brightness and effects. Unfortunately, there's no onboard memory, so your settings and key bindings won't stay when you use the Razer Pro Type Ultra on a computer that doesn't have the software installed. Since the software isn't available on macOS or Linux, you can't make customizations or set macros. Let's go over the pros and cons of this keyboard. The positive sides include having a unifying USB receiver for controlling up to 4 devices, having 2 incline settings and cushioned wrist rest, extremely comfortable for fast typing, adjustable bright white backlight, both wired and wireless connectivity options and much more. The negative sides are only linear switch availability. Synapse 3 software requires registration, contains ads and Windows only, not macOS. Non-hot swappable is a major drawback. Razer Pro Type Ultra is available at the popular marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, AliExpress. This highly acclaimed keyboard is available for less than $180. If you're looking for a premium work-oriented keyboard, this should be top on your list and is well worth the extra outlay for its excellent build quality and performance. Our ratings for the keyboard on various aspects are: value-wise, 4 out of 5. Design will be 5 out of 5. Accessibilities and features are 4 out of 5. Performance-wise, 4 out of 5. On average will be 4.25 out of 5 overall. The Razer Pro Type Ultra stands out as a top-tier wireless mechanical keyboard designed with professionals in mind. Its blend of premium build quality, customizable features, versatile connectivity, and ergonomic design makes it a compelling choice for individuals seeking a high-performance keyboard optimized for productivity. That's all for now. Comment down below which product do you want to see next. Subscribe to Techtionary for more updates.